Hello there, Lou St. George, your favorite contractor here in South Florida. We do work in Broward and Palm Beach counties, so this information I'm provided to you is most applicable to people that live in those areas. So one of the big questions we get is, can I live in my home during renovation? A fine question. And there's not a one-size-fits-all answer to this. So here's what we would look at and talk to you about. First of all, the real world is not like the TV shows, where like everything's going 1,000 miles an hour. It doesn't happen that way in Florida. We got a lot of inspections. That's TV. This is reality. Okay, what's your threshold for pain? During certain parts of construction and renovation, there's noise, there's dust, there's invasion of privacy because you're used to, what you're used to, and then all of a sudden you're gonna have a lot of people working at your place. We try to we clean up, so we try to minimize the dust and debris. It's not like it accumulates, but there's a lot of stuff that freak people out that you've got to be aware of. Okay, work sequence and required inspections. Again, this depends on your scope of work, which can be any place from a bathroom remodel to a full-blown interior renovation to adding an addition, interior renovation, and redoing your whole yard. Okay. Okay, so minimally you're going to need a place to sleep and a usable bathroom. So if if that will suit your lifestyle or that of you and your family, then you could probably live there during renovation, and hopefully you don't work from home as well. So the scope of work, how will it affect the electric, the plumbing, and the AC is important, because if we have to kill the power for something, it's going to be tough for you to live there with no power. If there's no running water, you don't have a functional bathroom. And if it's summertime and there's no AC, you're not going to be a happy person. So those are some of the factors we need to look into. Okay, so can you live in your place? I make a point of beating this point to death. There are people that will tell you, contractors, what you want to hear. Oh, you can do this and you can do that. And it may not be true, because that's just how some people are. So just understand what goes into this to make a decision so you can make a smart decision. Okay, what we do to help people out, we're working on a project like this right now. They want to live in there, and it's a pretty major renovation, is we look at ways to minimize the inconvenience. The most efficient way is, let's not get into all the sequences, but there's efficient ways and less efficient ways to do your job. Obviously, less efficient costs you more money, but it may be worth it to you because then you can stay there. So, anyway, like as I said, we look at ways to minimize your inconvenience, see if it's possible. Schedule and start dates. If we have a schedule and start dates, sometimes you can work your schedule so that we can mesh better and it works out okay. Certain things, like it can be cabinets, it can be anything. Certain items take a long time to get, like a set of stairs. It typically takes a while. So there's certain ways that instead of you moving out immediately, we go, okay, let's order these long lead time items and have everything ready so that this job will go as quickly as possible. Let's choose all your finishes so we can have all the material ready, so to minimize the downtime. All right, and I just warned you, be careful of the yes men. That concludes, can I live in my home during renovation? I hope this is helpful. I know it's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but that's the truth. So if you go to our website, renovationresults.com, or if you're on YouTube and you go to @renovationresults, you'll see, our online portfolio. You can see projects we did. But these are some of the videos that you might find useful. How to start a renovation project. This walks you through beginning to end what's involved in the process as a homeowner. Okay, how much will my renovation cost? That's a great one. Okay, how long will my renovation take, and can I live in my home during renovation? We continually put up information to help you people out, and If you have any questions and you live in Broward or Palm Beach County, you're welcome to email me. Make it a short question, not a story, and I will respond to that. Have a good day.